Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a new yoga flow. We start with the prone position on our stomach. We do a snake pose, extend and stretch your hand behind you. Then we go into a dhanurasana, a bow pose. Inhale and enter a bow pose and exhale and slowly come back. Try to stay at each position for 10 seconds. Now we inhale and do a cobra stretch. Really stretch your lumbar region, and then we go exhale into a downward facing dog. Then we return to the normal prone position and repeat the same cycle. So we do a snake pose, stretch our lumbar region, stretch our diaphragm, inhale in this position. Then we exhale and grab our toes and ankles, go into a dhanurasana pose with an inhalation. Stay there for 5 to 10 seconds, slowly come back, and here we do a cobra stretch with an inhale, really good for your back if you're working professional, and then a downward facing dog. Try to keep your legs as straight as possible. A slight bend is okay. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.